Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi Firzatullah from MNG 25CX with NPM 254-11055. In here, I want to presentation about macroeconomics. Thank you. I want to tell you a presentation about macroeconomic. Macroeconomic is understanding the big picture forces that shape national economies, growth, prices, jobs, and policy. This deck summarizes core concepts, objectives, and policy levers used to manage whole economies. What is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics studies the economy as a whole, not individual firms. It analyzes aggregate indicator like GDP, inflation, unemployment, national income, and economic growth to explain cyclical fluctuation and long-run trends. Now, number one, scope. Scope is national accounts, international flows, and sector interaction. 2. Indicator. GDP, CPI, unemployment rate, and balance of payment. 3. Policy use. Guides fiscal and monetary policy to stabilize growth and prices. Main objective of macroeconomics. Macroeconomic goals with policy choice. The main objectives are broad but interrelated. Government and central bank balance them to promote prosperity. First, economic growth. Raise long-term output and living standard through investment, innovation, and productivity. Second, price stability. Keep inflation low and predictable to protect purchasing power and encourage planning. Third, full employment. Minimize cyclical unemployment and ensure labor resources are productively used. Fourth, balanced trade. Sustain manageable import-export balance and stable foreign exchange earnings. Fifth, fair income distribution. Reduce inequality through taxation, transfer, and inclusive growth policy. 6. Economic stability. Limit volatility from recession, financial crisis, and external shocks. Economic growth. Economic growth is the sustained increase in nation capacity to produce goods and service, typically measured by GDP. Growth expand job opportunities, raise income, and fund public service like education and healthcare. Driver: capital accumulation, technological progress, human capital improvement. Benefit: poverty reduction, improved infrastructure, higher living standard. Next, inflation, cause and control. Inflation is a sustained rise in general price level that erodes purchasing power, measured commonly by the Consumer Price Index. It can be benign at moderate level or destabilizing when rapid. 1. Demand pull. Higher aggregate demand than the economic's productive capacity. 2. Cost push. Rising input costs weight commodities that push price up. Built-in wage price spiral driven by inflation expectation. Policy tools. Central bank raise interest rates, tighten money supply. Government adjust spending and tax to cool demand. Unemployment types, cause and remedies. 1. Frictional. Short-term job transition reduced by better job matching and information. 2. Structural. Skill mismatch from technological change, addressed via retraining and education. 4. Cyclical. Linked to downturn, counter with fiscal stimulus and accommodative monetary policy. Seasonal. Industry timing effect managed through temporary program and this verification.